Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a behavior discipline referral in PowerSchool. First, you're going to want to log into your PowerSchool page. And it's going to bring up your class. On the left-hand side, in the bar with all the options, you're going to go to GWAEA apps and you're going to click on discipline. And it's going to bring three options up for you. What you're going to want to do is select add new discipline entry. Once you select that, the discipline incident entry form comes up. This is where you're going to type in the incident. And so the first thing you're going to do is put in a student's name. We're going to put in a fictitious incident here. Once you type the student's name, the student info is going to populate as well as the school year, and your name is already going to be set in this referral author. The incident date, because I'm adding it on 8/29, it's going to populate to my date and my time. So you're going to need to change that if the date happened prior to that. So this incident actually happened on Monday, and it happened in the lunchroom. And so fifth grade lunch is at 12 o'clock, and I'd say it happened at about 12:10. Please make sure when you're adding the incident that you're selecting AM or PM. That's really super important as you're doing this. The next section, title. Title is actually not that important. It does make you put something in there, so you can put anything in there that you would like. The easiest thing to do is if it was an art incident, you would put art incident, music incident, band incident, PE incident. In this case, we have a lunchroom incident. And then location. Once you click on location, it's going to give you a drop down. Please make sure you're selecting the location that it happened. In this case, it is the cafeteria. And then motivation. Motivation is kind of a judgment call. We aren't for sure usually what the motivation is for a student to do something. In this case, I'm going to make an assumption that Maya was attempting to obtain peer attention. She was wanting people to laugh, people to look at her. She smashed a ranch packet in the lunchroom. So I'm going to say that she was obtaining peer attention. And then others involved. Maya acted alone in this. There weren't 5 people smashing ranch packets at the same time. She chose to do this by herself, so there was no one else involved in the incident. And problem behavior has a very large drop down. This is a pre-K-12 extensive list of behaviors that could occur within the school setting. Something to note, bullying and harassment are listed on here. However, the principal, the guidance counselor, and the behavior interventionist are the only ones that can select bullying or harassment as a motivation, or excuse me, as a problem behavior, because those are incidents that need to be investigated. If you believe bullying and harassment is occurring, please make sure that they fill out a bully form and that we investigate that and add the information accurately to the system as it does get reported to the state. In this case, Maya was causing a disruption in the lunchroom, so I'm going to click disruption. And then I'm going to determine, was it a major or a minor incident? If you are unsure if it's major or minor, please make sure to look at the Lincoln Elementary major, minor behavior grid that the guidance counselor laminated and gave to each of you. You can check on that list, or you can check with the guidance counselor, the behavior interventionist, or the principal to see what you should put in there if you're not sure. You're going to put a brief description of what happened. So, Maya smashed a ranch packet in the lunchroom. In this section, we used to say, do not add other student names. It's been determined that adding another student's first name is okay. Last names may not be listed. The reason for this is that if Maya happens to be doing the same thing to the same person over and over, then we have data to show how many incidents Maya and another student may have been involved in something. So you may add first names, but please do not add last names due to confidentiality. If you want this notification to come to the principal, the counselor, or the behavior interventionist, you must select send admin notification email. If you do not click this, we do not see the entry within our email system. We will see the entry when we pull major minor referrals, but we won't see the incident in and of itself. So click send admin notification email. It automatically pre-populates to Ms. Martins, Ms. Kesey, and myself with the information in there. If you have never hit the send email before, it's going to first pop up and prompt you, how do you want to send it? You're going to choose Google, and then you're going to select mail, and you're going to hit OK, and then this screen will pop up. If that does confuse you a little bit that first time, please don't hesitate to ask. Then you're going to go to the little paper airplane, and you're going to push that to send it to us. It's going to make a cool little sound. There it goes. You've now sent it to us. You're going to toggle back to your behavior incident, and you're going to hit save. And then you've saved your behavior incident. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask Ms. Martins, Ms. Kesey, or myself. Thank you.